What's up, people? This is a continuation of the high dollar video. I didn't want to make the first one to be too lengthy, so I decided to, do a volume 2 of the first one. Okay, in this volume 2, we'll be looking at the application. Okay, in the first video, we were able to cover, all the general information about high dollars, its usabilities, its features, how to register, and how to interact with both the Telegram and the WhatsApp bot. But here we're talking about the application. Okay, so when you've registered, I'll leave a registration link, a referral link in the pinned comment and the description of this video so that you can register. Like I said in the original video, that once you click on the referral link, scroll to the bottom, you see the Apple Store icon, you see the Google Play Store icon, you see the Telegram and the WhatsApp icons. I recommend that for registration purposes you go through the Telegram icon, because the bot is super responsive and you can get all those features on the bot. But here is the application for high dollars, and quickly, here is the gift box you check on a daily basis when you log in to claim your one high dollar on a daily basis. Okay, that's it there. That's what you click, to get your high dollars on a daily basis. Okay, here is where, if you click it open now, let's click it open. You see details about yourself, the number of people on your team, and how they are doing. Okay, now when you click on settings here, very quickly, now the settings opened. Now you can see that there is need for KYC, guys. Okay, so your any valid ID card, okay, the national identity card or your driver's license, when you have that valid ID card, you are made to take a selfie. You take the front picture of the ID and the back picture as well. Then you take a selfie. Then you get verified for the KYC tier 1. Okay, the tier 2 requires that you provide pictorial evidence of your physical address, maybe your utility bill that carries your address. Okay, so mine is awaiting tier 2 verification right now. Okay, basically, let's go back. These are the different wallets, okay, where your money is. Different wallets, as we explained in the first video, different uses, different purposes. Now let's click on this high logo and let's see what's in there so that we can understand better. Okay, so now let's look at earnings. Okay, now you can actually fund you can buy high dollars, okay, by funding. You have the high dollars, and you can actually stake your high dollars to get amounts of profit, return on investment, by staking your high dollars. Okay, so here you have estimated annual potential yield of 25%, which is payable daily into your here you have your annual percentage yield of 25% for a 90-day tenure. For the high dollars that you stake, like that. You see this one, 90 days, 25%, estimated annual percentage yield of 25%. Here they said EOT, meaning end of tenure, meaning that you get the entire 25% at the end of 90 days for this one. Okay, meanwhile for the first one here, this 25%, okay, you earn daily. Okay, you earn daily for the 90 days. Cumulatively, it will amount to the 25%. Okay, so like that, you just go through the earnings. You see there's that of Bitcoin, where you can get estimated annual percentage yield of 1.5% in 30 days. Okay, you get at the end of tenure. Just look at the one there. There are so many earning opportunities on this app, guys. You have that of USDT. You have different staking opportunities here on this application. So this is the button you click to fund. Okay, then you take it off from there. Okay, here is where you can buy your high dollar. You buy the high dollar, which of course you can now use to stake and be earning returns, passive income on you just holding your high dollars in your wallet. Okay, this is like a hands-off way of making money while you sleep, guys. That's about all with the application. Let us click open this crown icon and discover what is in there. Okay, so now we're talking about, they're telling us about the different levels, okay, based on the amount of high dollars that you have. Okay, if you have 100 high dollars in your vault plus earnings, you have feeless financial services, you have life support. If you have 1,000 high dollars, okay, the benefits is 10% earnings booster, as indicated here. You also have free masterclass. Let's see what that's about, because there's a see more button here. Okay, the world's premium class streaming platform taught by 100 plus of the world's best instructors. Okay, free masterclass. Okay, you have feeless services, financial services, you have life support. Now for the 10,000 high dollars in your vault and your earnings, you have priority life support, you have 5 hotel perks. Okay, high silver and above get exclusive benefits at luxury hotels around the world. Benefits include lowest rate, free room upgrades, late checkouts, free breakfast, hotel credits, and all that. Okay, 20% earnings booster, free masterclass, feeless financial services, life support. Now if you have 100,000, that feature membership rank perks are coming soon. Okay, then 1 million is also coming soon, 10 million is coming soon, 100 million is coming soon, as at the time of making this video. Okay, so basically what they're telling you is that when you buy high dollars and you hold them in your wallet, you can actually stake them and be earning passive income. And you know, this wallet can also hold other currencies as well, as we found out. There's opportunity for you to stake Bitcoin, for you to stake USDT. Okay, let us click on cryptocurrencies here. Cryptocurrencies, let's see what comes out from the drop down. Okay, you see high dollars. Okay, then let us click on traditional cryptocurrencies. None. Other supported cryptocurrencies. You see, there are other supported cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, BUSD, Dogecoin, Litecoin, BNB, True USD, Daicoin. You see, this is also a wallet where you can store some of these other cryptocurrencies. And this video is just meant to remind you of two things. When you get on board via the referral link in the description of this video and in the pinned comments, the next thing you need to do is, through interacting with the Telegram or the WhatsApp bot, you can actually find a place to download the application, this application, after which you need to proceed with your KYC. It's important, guys. It's important. And for the KYC, remember, you have to interact with this button, the settings button, and it's going to reveal to you what you need to do. Okay, the documents that you need and all that. You will find the requirements here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like, share it with everybody that is in your high dollar community, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so before. Feel free to comment in the comment section below if you have any challenges. I'll be more than glad to assist. Till I see you in the next video, I remain Victor Sibo. It is bye for now.